What is crypto? Bitcoin was the first crypto, and I think it can be helpful to think about it as a protocol. So um, when you traditionally send mail or a letter, you write a name, address, and you've got to write that in such a way that it can be distributed and reach its intended recipient. Now that how you address that letter is the protocol that allows it to get there. Now the internet has protocols as well. It's built on protocols. So there's protocols that allow the information, the data to navigate its way between computers and servers and things and function as intended. So HTTP, you might know that, http://www.google.com. Now, everything surrounding Google is the protocol. It's saying, hey, go to Google, retrieve the web page, bring it back and display it to me. And that's what HTTP, the protocol, does. Um, there's SMTP, which is email. So you write an email, it sends that mail via SMTP, and all that does is say, hey, take this text, send it to this address. You're not retrieving anything, and you're not displaying anything in the same way that you would a web page. There's also VoIP and stuff, which allows you to talk over the internet via audio, etc., etc. So there's all these protocols. They're all open source, permissionless, so you can see the code, you can see how these protocols work. And yeah, so Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was a protocol, or is a protocol that allows us to send value across the internet without permission, permissionless value sending throughout the internet. Now, it needs a network of miners and nodes that secure that network and allow that value to be sent in the same way that we have servers and centralized servers and things that store your emails, etc. There's a decentralized network allowing this protocol of value to work, and that's it very simply. So we can send value to each other at any time, all around the world, for a small fee, and there's no middleman. There's no middleman to it. So currently, when you use your bank, you interface with your bank through the internet. So you use a website to connect to your bank, but then that bank is just receiving that instruction using their legacy old servers and stuff, performing a transfer, doing something with the account, doing all that, and then coming back and then giving you a response via the internet. If I'm sending money to you via our banks, it's not a direct transfer of that value. It's we both communicate with our bank, and the bank does that separately. So yeah, it's a open source protocol that allows us to send value across the internet.